everyone.
So today I'll be working on the coffee cat. I decided to go with these two pretty colors right here. That's like a rust color. It leans towards red, so I decided just to do these two together, and most likely do one of these two for the eyebrow highlight. Is hot again. It's really frustrating. I really do not want to stay here for the rest of my life. So anyway, I'm going to be using NYX's Rust on my eyes. I love that rust color from NYX because it's not orange, it's more of a burgundy, more of a dark red. So I really love it. So let's go into that pretty color right there. Chopped off all my nails. One of my YouTube friends was telling me that you need to rub the oil into your nail, and I started not really rubbing, but I just have a bunch of cuticle oil, and this one is some sort of China glazed berry or something. All right, now I'm going into that brown that's next to it. Anyway, I started doing a nightly ritual where I'm taking care of my face, because see the pimple. I'm just trying to clean my face. Not so much clean it, but like treat the oily skin, like by putting have some salicylic acid, because my nose is always oily. I put pimple cream on the pimples. Wow, that's intense, that. Oh shoot, that is really intense. So anyway, I just have this nightly ritual, and my nails were growing really fast, but they also broke. This one was growing so pretty, and then it broke when I was getting meat out of the freezer. So I was like, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna go with this color right here on the end. I'm gonna put it into try to blend out that edge, because that is intense. Alright, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna use Deja Brew. It's the darkest of the coffee. Oh shoot, it really does smell like coffee. Okay. So for highlighter, I actually used the bronzer today. Since it's fall, I try to use like a goldenish color. And this is from the Happy Boost from Physicians Formula from years ago. It's the light bronzer. And for blush, I use NYX Copper right here. So yeah,